Hey guys, I'm Ashit Kumar and this is the end of day 5. Well, today was also not good, and let me define what I call a good day and a bad day. So by a good day, I mean after studying, I get satisfied, because if I get satisfied, that is a good day. If I am completely unsatisfied, that is a bad day. And so yeah, these days I'm not satisfied. That is, I'm not using my full potential. J mains answer key is out, and my chemistry was very bad. So yeah, I got a total of 133. I don't think it was a tough paper. It was mediocre to easy. I should have got more marks in chemistry. In chemistry, I got around 35 marks, which is very less as compared to my previous exams. So this is one thing that happened due to, I guess, due to not revising properly. So usually I, in the last test, in the last January attempt, I got around 65 marks in chemistry. So yeah, chemistry is not good. In physics I got around 55. In maths it was around 42. So yeah, I mean, chemistry could have been better. Physics was okayish. I mean, I have, although in, I think in April attempt I got around 60 marks in physics. So yeah, my chemistry is bit not good, man, because I could have scored 160 marks if my chemistry was fine, but it's not. So I'm worried about chemistry only, because in mains I am scoring this low in chemistry. So what, I am not sure what will happen in JEE Advance. So yeah, and I said I will be completing, let me tell you, I was not able to complete solid states. Apart from that, NLM, work power energy, and friction, and solutions and colligative properties, I was able to complete them all, and I solved decent amount of question of all these chapters. Although I am not completely utilizing my time. I'm not even close to utilizing my time. And so yeah, I will have to improve a lot, because time is very less left. One more thing, I will be giving mock test tomorrow. That is my coaching institutes. I am from Resonance, so if you don't know, so tomorrow I have a live test. So yeah, that will be a proper mock test, because I will not be able to skip that test, and that will also have a ranking system. So I hope I won't have even high hopes like 150 or 60. I'm aiming for about 150 marks only. It's not my final. Okay, I am aiming this for tomorrow, and I still have around 18 days, so I will have to improve that marks, because yeah, I have to improve that marks. That's it. So I will be linking 2 of my videos and a subscribe button. Thanks for watching.